children, today we will take the topic division of integers. All of you know that division is the inverse operation of multiplication. For example, 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15. So when 15 is divided by 5, you will get 3. So this is an inverse operation of multiplication. Now today we will learn some properties of division of integers. First property is division is not commutative for integers. Commutative you have studied for addition and multiplication. So here we will see for division. When one integer is divided by another integer, the results remain same or not. So here we see minus 8 divided by minus 4 is 2. But when you divide minus 4 from divide minus 4 from minus 8, you will get 1 by 2. So both the results are different. So we conclude that this division, their quotients are not equal. So division is not commutative for addition. Second property is any integer divided by 0 is meaningless. So if a is any integer, if we divide it by 0, this is a condition of not defined. But when 0 is divided by any integer, you will get 0 provided your a should not be equal to 0. Next, negative integers divided by 1 gives the same negative integer. So any integer divided by 1 gives the same integer. In general, a divided by 1, you will get a. Fourth property, when we divide any integer by minus 1, it does not give the same integer. Example, suppose I am dividing 4 by minus 1. So I am getting minus 4. It means I am not getting the same integer. This is fourth property. Fifth property is division is not associative for integers. We take the examples of 3 integers. Let minus 16, 4 and minus 2 be 3 integers. So when we take first 2 integers together, we divide first integer by second integer and then third integer. So here we see when minus 16 will be divided from 4, you will get minus 4. And then this minus 4 will be divided by minus 2, you will get 2. But when we take the other pair, suppose we have taken minus 16 outside and we have combined these two terms together. So when we divide this, the result is 8. So you see, in first case we get quotient as 2 and here we get quotient as 8. So we conclude from this example that division is not associative for integers. Now children, see, there are some rules for division of integers. Rule number 1 is when a positive integer is divided by a positive integer, the quotient obtained is positive. Example, 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. When a negative integer is divided by a negative integer, the quotient obtained is again positive. If both the integers are negative, again the quotient is positive. Only one case is there. When a positive integer is divided by a negative integer, the quotient obtained is negative and vice versa. For example, 20 divided by minus 5, you get quotient as minus 4. So these are the important properties and the rules for the division. So you have to keep these rules in your mind while solving exercise 1.4. Have a great day ahead.